Hello everyone, it's David Taylor at Web Media with another online marketing secret, and this week I want to show you how you can create your own forms on your website without any programming knowledge. You want to go to this site, emailmeform.com. I'll put the link to the site under the video. And this site is free. You can get yourself some free forms. Very easy to use, very easy to put together. This is what it looks like when you get to the home page. Just going to log in. You need to register for using the site. So I'm just going to log in very quickly. And then you want to head to templates along the top navigation right there, and then down to contact form. There are lots of different types of form you can have on this site, but I'm going to show you a basic form that you can adapt to your own needs. So click on contact form and you'll see the template on the right of the screen right here. And what you want to do is hit customize right there. And now you can start to make the form your own. So for example, you can change the name from contact form to survey form or anything else. Or in fact, you can give it a name and then unclick this tick box right there, and you will still see what the name of the form is, but it won't appear on the form itself. To alter the form, when I hover over the form, it highlights that box, in this case name, and this little icon here is a duplicate. So if I press that, it will create another exact copy underneath, which is very handy when you're doing long forms that have lots of fields on them. To get rid of this box, I click on the cross and it just asks me to confirm that I want to delete that field. You can delete these fields and you can change the size of them. And here at the bottom is a captcha to make sure that when people are filling out the form, it's humans doing it and not just machines collecting emails from your website to send you spam. So those are the field settings for a basic form. If I go up here on the top left and click on form settings, I'll get a different menu down the left hand side, and this gives you a number of other options, and this is one of them in the center here. Success message or redirect URL. And what that means is that it's currently on success message. So if I go and click on edit message, you can see that what that's saying is that when somebody submits this form through your website, you can send them a message that says either this, we have received your submissions, thank you, or something more personal or more detailed. So that's what a success message looks like. Or you can send them to another page on your website by clicking the redirect URL right here and then filling in this box to whatever page on your website you want to send them to, the home page or another page. So that's redirect URL, which is very handy actually. Quite often you might want to send them to a page that thanks them for filling out the contact form or contacting you or doing the survey. And you can also see down the left hand side here that you've got all sorts of options around the form width that you can specify here so it fits the exact right size on your web page. Styling options right here give you the opportunity to change the color of the font and the font itself, etc. You can align the send buttons here, left, middle or right. You can have no captcha if you prefer that, or you can have a simple image verification captcha, which just requires you to put 4 letters or numbers into the box, or you can have a sophisticated captcha like the one that's showing now. So lots of options there for you to have. When you're happy with your form, click on this button at the bottom of the screen, Save Form, and then go Take Me Back to the Form Manager. And what you'll see is at the top of the screen is the latest form that you have created, and you can then go to the center here where it says Code, and it will give you a number of different options for picking up the code to drop this into your web page. The one I use most often is this one, fourth down, HTML only. If I click on that and then click on the code itself, right click and go down to copy, I then have the code ready to drop straight into a web page. So I'll just create a brand new web page here. I'll paste in that code from the form I've just created, and I'll hit preview. And as you can see, there is the form that I created on the site now dropped into a web page that's ready to go on my own website. So that's how you can create yourself a customized form using this very handy and free facility from emailmeform.com.